To raise the 2.2 million shillings needed for the body of their brother to be released from the Kenyatta University Teaching, Research and Referral Hospital, 2 orphan sisters walked 25 kilometers from Embu to Runyenjes. A group of young people followed the sisters, Doris Mambai and Paridi Murugi, on the trek as they made an appeal to passers-by and well-wishers for financial assistance so they could bury their loved ones. First-year medical student Eric Mutugi of the Thika Medical Training College passed away there on January 16, 2023, but his body has since been kept in storage since the hospital has a bill that needs to be paid in full. According to Doris, they have only managed to raise 225,000 shillings since their brother's death, which the hospital accepted but demanded more. She stated that they had exhausted all options for raising funds, but because they are unemployed and have no title deeds to offer as collateral, they resorted to a walk campaign to raise the balance. Doris added that they are hoping to raise an additional 200,000 to 300,000 shillings through this initiative in the hopes that the hospital will then agree to release their brother's body for burial.